Hello, today we are going to learn how you can add captions to your video with the help of Zaps. It's really easy, so let's get started. So first of all, we click on Create Zap here. Now, you can actually use the Copilot here, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create it manually. Okay? Right. So first thing first is a trigger. You need a trigger to initiate any workflow. So for that, I'll just use a webhook. It's just easier, and then I'll just choose an event. Let's say catch hook. Continue. I don't need any child key here, so I'll just say continue, and then that's it. It gives me the URL of the webhook. And then the second step is you just click on the action here, um, and then search for an app called Erenon. This is an app which will help you to add captions on your videos. So in the action tab, we will select add caption to the video. um, when you select this app first time, you have to create an account, and by that I mean when you add your API key. So let me show you how you can get an API key. You go to earnow.com. Once you're logged in, you go to API keys, click on create secret keys, let's say Zap, and then create key, and then you can just copy it from here, or you can just copy it from here also. Once you copy it, you click on the account, it will show you a pop-up where you copy paste the API key and you are connected. Once you're connected, click on continue, and then here you have to provide the video URL. You can actually pass this through a form or a previous stage, but for this demo purposes, I am going to just utilize a URL I already have. The URL has to be a public facing video. So what that means is it needs to be accessible on any browser. So for example, if I open and I enter, long ago a traveler walked. As you can see, this video doesn't have any captions on it, right? I'm gonna go back, put the video URL here, and this is my URL. Now in the caption position, you can provide where you want position, top, bottom, anywhere. So we're gonna say top, it's easy. Let's say font size 100, font color, let's say white, outline color, let's say white, outline width, let's say 3, max words per line, let's say 5, and then max segment duration, let's say 3. So this is just the configuration. When we click continue, it will show us these are the parameters we are sending to the Edenol API. We can actually click on the test button, and what it does, it will create a job for you. So we created the click the test button, and then as you can see, there is a job ID here. Now the next step is you click here again, search for Edenol, and this time in the action event we will search for status. This is important because what's going to happen is it is going to get the status of the job which we have created on Edenol. For example, it is processing our video in the background and adding captions to it, right? So we have done that. Our account is already added. Continue. And then in the job ID, press a backslash button, and then here you will see all the other stages. So click on that caption, and here you will see job ID. So put the job ID here. Nothing needs to be changed here, and then continue. What it does is it sends the job ID as a get request to the Edenol API. Let's click on the test button. And what it does, it goes to the platform and comes back saying if the status is complete or not. So for the simplicity, we have seen that the video was short, so it was completed. In a real world scenario, you have to check the status and then get the result. So this is the result URL for our video. So as you know, this was our video, no captions. I'm going to open the other one. Long ago, a traveler walked a quiet road, seeking So there you go. You have the captions on your video with this amazing Zap. So this is how you add captions to your video with the help of Zapier. Any questions, please feel free to comment below. Or if you have any workflow you need help with, please feel free to reach out. Cheers.